Hello guys, how are you? We will make review for Google Pixel 5a 5G and we'll speak about all specifications. Launch date announced 2021, August 17th. Now we will speak about body. Dimensions 154.9 x 73.7 x 7.6 millimeters. Weight 183 grams. Build of glass front, aluminum frame, aluminum back. With nano SIM and IP67 dust/water resistant. The display, type OLED, HDR. Size 6.34 inches, 97.0 centimeters 2. Resolution 1080 x 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 415p density. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 3 always on display. OS Android 11. Chipset Qualcomm SM7250 Snapdragon 765G 5G 7nm CPU octa-core 1x2.4 GHz Creo 475 Prime and 1x2.2 GHz Creo 475 Gold and 6x1.8 GHz Creo 475 Silver GPU Adreno 620. Internal memory 128 GB and 6 GB RAM. Main camera dual 12.2 MP and 16 MP. Selfie camera single 8 MP. Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, LA, aptX HD. NFC-S. Sensors, fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Battery type LiPo 4680 mAh, non-removable fast charging 18W. Colors mostly black,